Every once in a while we say, ooh, a good weekend to sit inside and watch something good on television.
And
Like the Patriots.
Yes.
Patriots on Sunday. Maybe a little, I was telling Brian and Amanda, I am so far behind on my TV show watching.
Actual show watching.
Because I watch a lot of football, college, NFL, but I think tomorrow maybe it's like a Netflix night.
Yes, I think it will be for a lot of us.
Yep. Not much else to do.
Well, and then Sunday night, watch us on the stream.
That's right.
Use our
That
Maine
too.
Plus.
Full
Yeah,
coverage as the storm moves in.
Going to be expanded coverage. Dana will be here. Alan will be here Sunday night. And then Todd, Christian, and myself. You guys will be involved too
Yeah,
on Monday
I'll be here
and
Sunday. Yeah.
So, yeah. We have a lot to follow.
Lots going on this week.
That is for sure. We'll start with a look at the radar. A few spotty snow showers coming through right now. Nothing all that intense, but it is cold, so there could be a quick coating of snow as this comes in from about Ossipee and Wakefield, New Hampshire into York County. Few spot snow showers departing eastern Maine at this point as well. Here comes the cold. This is the Arctic cold front slicing through now. The cold has origins up by the poles, and it's going to come all the way through our region here over the next few days. There is warm air far to the south, and on this battle zone, that's where the storm will form, and it'll travel up the coast through the weekend. So hour by hour for tonight, cold air coming in, any snow showers end by about 9 or 10 o'clock. But again, there aren't that many out there. And tomorrow morning, actual temperatures well below zero north and even below zero on the coastline. Sunny all day tomorrow, bluebird day. If you look outside and the window isn't cold, you can see the sun and you might think it's not that bad, but it will be a pretty brutal feeling day coming up tomorrow. Weather other than the cold tomorrow is quiet. High pressure anchors itself over us tomorrow night, so the coldest temperature, not accounting for the wind, is probably Sunday morning as this high pressure is right over us. At the same time, mess of a storm system moving through the deep south, southeast, and mid-Atlantic. Some of these places down here just don't have the equipment to deal with things like sleet and freezing rain, so it's going to be a multi-day cleanup in parts of the Carolinas and Tennessee. For us, though, we're pretty fortunate despite the fact it's so frigid. This is just going to be a pure snowstorm for us. It technically is a nor'easter, but there's no coastal flooding, there's very little wind, and it really is just pure powder that falls from this storm for us. And because of that, we're not concerned about power outages either, because it's this dry and fluffy snow. That said, it's a long duration storm. This is Monday at 10 o'clock, and there are still some areas of light snow probably coming to an end by that point, but that turns this into at least a 24-hour, if not a 36-hour snowfall. This is a look at the start time on Sunday. As early as 3 o'clock or a bit before that over southern York County and the seacoast, between 3 and 6 p.m. from Portland to Augusta, between 6 and 9 for Augusta, Waterville, Bangor, and the down east coast, and then after 9 o'clock on Sunday, far to the northeast. You can see that progression here, and the snow will pick up in intensity. There probably already are a few inches by 7 or 8 o'clock Sunday evening in southern Maine. Given it's so cold, this will have a fluff factor to it. Snowfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour overnight. The heaviest is probably over by about 8 in the morning on Monday, but it's so cold and we have off and on light to occasionally moderate snow that continues into Monday evening. And that's a big reason why we've increased these snowfall totals. These are the totals by Monday night. I don't think you wake up first thing Monday morning and all of this is on the ground. By Monday night, though, 1 foot to 1.5 foot for many of us, around 1 foot in Bangor, and then amounts do taper off to the north. 4 to 6 foot seas tomorrow. Freezing spray, a big issue on the water, too, in the wind. After this storm goes by, don't expect a warm up. It stays around 20 for high temperatures through the middle of next week. The models do try to spin up a storm offshore next Friday. They all are offshore with the storm right now. But I mention it because we saw what happened with this one, where it crept in as we got closer. So we'll keep an eye on that, but that's next Friday would be the next possibility.
All right, let's get through this first.
Yeah.
We know what's out there.
Thank you, Ryan.
You're welcome.